Hello. I'm going to be attempting a hand draw Ember today. I'm going to be using my, oh, where'd it go? I don't know where it went. Oh, here it is. A cattail spindle. And I've got a Western red cedar hearthboard. So, gonna see if I can get an ember with it. Gonna use one of the pre-existing holes. Like, this cattail is ridiculously easy to get embers with. Usually what I like to use though is it's Mullen. It's a bit harder to get embers with, but it's really fun to use. It smells great and it really helps out with congestion too. So just gonna spit in my hands, get some much needed friction. And usually when I'm doing my hand drill, I really like to just start out off by floating. Just sort of warm up the board. Right now it's not getting too much friction, but that'll go away soon. Yeah, right there. So it's starting to get a tiny bit of smoke. Let's start going down a bit more. And it looks like I already got one. God, I had to close my eyes there for a sec. Just so much smoke. Alright. Doing this backwards so it's a bit hard to see. So there's Ember right there. But it's just so ridiculously easy to get an ember with this cattail spindle I got. It takes like almost no effort at all. Well, it still takes effort, but not as much as like with the Mullen. The Mullen on a scale 1 to 10 is probably about a 7 for me. This cattail is like almost a 2. And I don't actually have to do it very long, and I don't have to try too hard. Just one more good look at the ember there. Where is it? It's hard to do this because I'm doing it backwards. There it is. Alright, thanks for watching.